How to feature a photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Scroll down to the Album section at the end and tap on it. You can view all your albums over here. Go to the top right corner and tap on Create. Then, tap on New Album. Here, tap on Add Photos as shown. Select the photos you want to add to this album from here and then tap on Add at the top right corner. Enter a name for the album and tap on Create. Now, go back to the home screen and long press on any empty area until the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. Then, go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. Here, tap on Add Widget. Scroll down and tap on Photos as shown. Tap on Album from here and then tap on Choose beside Album. Here, select the album you just created. After that, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily feature a photo on iPhone.